So day 8 and broccoli. So it's been growing over towards the light and it's in the morning, and I'm going to give them some water. They will actually need a bit more watering now. I'm just going to move that around, really simple. Just put that back in the window and check it again in the evening. So as they grow more, they need a bit more water. So when we first brought them out, I didn't water them instantly. So it's just checking morning and night as normal as they grow. And you'll notice with some other ones, you'll start noticing the difference. So they all look green. I've got a comparison here. So this is Rocket, which is a bit speedier, but you'll notice the leaves look different. Even they do look similar, but you'll be able to start seeing the difference just in colour and texture there. So I'm going to put these back in the light and check in a few days.